Good morning, everyone. Bright and early in the morning, we're getting the wall up. This wall is going to be a little interesting because down here the pressure treated kind of cups up, as does the top plate, so it matches, kind of throwing off the corner of our OSB. So the plan is to stand it up, put it down, and hope the weight of the wall corrects itself, then finish nailing on our OSB. We'll see how this goes. Ropes are connected. This is probably going to be our heaviest wall yet, but we'll see how it goes. Too much on that one, but whatever. Well, not much today. That wall's up, that wall's finished, and this wall started. So, yeah, we're a little slower today, but I had to run and get some header material anyway, so let's blame the slow day on that. This is the front wall. That should be done tomorrow. And we should be able to get this side done as well. That'll button up most of the exterior. I went with the garage door beam size. It's not going to fit. That's a 12-inch beam. So here to here, 12 inches. It's supposed to have an 8-foot garage door, 8 foot tall. So when you rough opening the garage door, it's an 1.5 inches taller than the finished height. So your 1.5 inches comes from your sill plate, 8-foot garage door. Header goes there. There's 8 and 11/16 inches, but our beam is 12 inches. It would clear the top plates too. There's no way that would have fit. So the plans call for a 3 1/8 by 12-inch glue laminated beam. Makes sense. Garage door, 10 by 8, so 10 feet wide, 8 feet tall. 9-foot ceiling. How's that going to work?